Good Wednesday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchers, and this is your outlook for June 19th, 2013. And we're not going to have a lot to talk about this week. We have a couple nice days setting up here, but just to set the stage for you, we have the cold front that moved through last night, now offshore. Low pressure formed along that frontal boundary, and this entire complex is now moving offshore to the east. In its place is going to be high pressure that's moving up here from the Great Lakes. Is going to move down towards our area and give us a couple nice days of low humidity and nothing but sunshine, maybe a few high puffy clouds, and that's about it. That's all you're going to get for Wednesday and Thursday at least. This high pressure system is going to move offshore on Friday and be replaced by another system on Saturday, another high pressure system that's going to park itself offshore, send the winds from the southwest as we get late in the weekend, and then we're going to get into some really warm temperatures as we get into early next week. Actually quite hot with heat and humidity returning at least for early next week, probably lasting it through midweek at the very least, and then beyond that it gets a little sketchy. So looking if you like the heat and humidity and you were looking for that, that's looks like you're going to have that as in the early part of next week. And now the next chance of real legitimate precipitation is actually going to be on Sunday. A little bit of disagreement between the GFS and the European model on this one. If you met halfway on this, you'd probably be correct. You have an area of low pressure that is shown on the European model. It's over the Great Lakes, and it's just going to move southeast like this and bring some rainfall with it Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. That's what the European model has right now. GFS has something similar but much weaker. GFS has this system actually coming down. Ooh, we got to get the right image here. This has a very weak area of low pressure sitting right here, moving a little bit further north, and maybe some touching off some showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon, but these are mostly diurnally driven, which is heat of the day, so you can see some little pop-up showers or thunderstorms that could pop up on Sunday. A little bit different of a look that the European model has, so we're going to have to narrow it down as we get closer to see if this is just a pop-up shower or thunderstorm type deal, or it is a more concentrated event that's shown like similar to what is shown on the European model for Sunday, with this low pressure system moving across and giving us a little bit heavier rain on Sunday. But right now we don't have expected any precipitation between now and then. But one thing the European model does and the GFS does is warm it up very nicely next week. You have temperatures reaching 90 and do much of the interior areas, the typical areas in our area, they get above 90 here from the Lehigh Valley over to Harrisburg and down to Philadelphia and interior South Jersey. We're going to have to watch that next week, as we might have a couple days that we're exceeding 90 degrees, especially down towards the Philadelphia metropolitan area. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for June 19th, 2013. Have a great day.